Whenever like in the fridge, patela fridge. Inte in the fridge. Ke in the fridge, ke patela fridge.
Ku patela fridge. Uno shuma kae? A o sa shuma bjang?
Na ke shumela Cronin sia.
Oh, Cronin sia. Ya mo go yena go rekele fridge. Hey, yeah, that's what.
Olo Mzansi, if there's anyone Bafet who's got information good lo madala lo hlala kuphi, please check on him. If you fridge until today akayitholi, please let me know, inbox me ungitshele ukuthi akayitholile fridge or akayitholi Bafethu. Mina within a week ngizoyenza make sure ukuthi lo madala lo uyayithola fridge. Ngizoyenza umsebenzi ohlula uRamaphosa. Ngizoyenza mina lo msebenzi lo. I'll consult my people and make sure ukuthi within a week lo madala lo uyayithola fridge. Please, if kunomuntu owaziyo kulo madala lo hlala kuphi, please go and check on him. Ungicheckele ukuthi fridge uyitholile or akayitholi. Within a week I'll make sure ukuthi lo madala lo une fridge. So sithukanga thina. Oh Ramaphosa abadlala ngeSouth Africa kudala. What do you still expect from umenemene mara? So Bafethu, jokes aside, if there's anybody on information ngalo madala lo, let us know. So we organize a fridge, me and my people. Simhambisela within a week. Danko.